Struggling with thin, lifeless hair no matter what products you use? You're not alone. Most people believe that expensive shampoos and salon treatments are the only way to get thicker hair. But what if I told you the secret to voluminous locks is sitting in your kitchen? In today's video, I'll share 7 natural DIY fixes that can transform your hair without harmful chemicals or breaking the bank. Stick around until the end to discover a surprising ingredient you can eat daily to boost your hair's thickness from the inside out. Welcome to HealthFlex, where today we're diving into the world of natural hair care secrets for thicker, stronger hair. We all dream of that full, voluminous look, but so many of us get caught up in thinking that only chemical-filled products will work. The truth is, natural ingredients can give you even better results without the side effects. In this video, I'll walk you through some DIY solutions using simple, powerful ingredients that can thicken your hair fast. And trust me, you don't want to miss the final DIY hack. It's a game changer. Let's get started. Number 1. Castor Oil, the ultimate hair growth booster. Does your hair growth seem to have hit a wall? Many think that thinning hair is just part of aging or stress, but here's a surprising fix. Castor oil. This thick, nutrient-rich oil is packed with ricinoleic acid, which improves blood circulation to your scalp and stimulates hair follicles. The best part? It's as easy as massaging a few drops into your scalp weekly. Think castor oil is too thick or messy? Just wait until you see the results. It's worth it. But there's one extra tip to make castor oil work even better, and I'll reveal that later in the video. Number 2. Coconut oil. Deep moisture for maximum thickness. Do you suffer from dry, brittle hair? Most people think regular conditioners will solve this, but they just coat your strands without real hydration. Coconut oil, on the other hand, penetrates deep into your hair shaft, delivering moisture from within. With its fatty acids, coconut oil not only repairs damaged hair, but also makes it thicker and more manageable. Still not convinced that oil can replace your conditioner? You'll want to see what happens when you combine it with another ingredient I'll reveal later. Number 3. Aloe vera, soothing the scalp for thicker hair. Is your scalp dry, itchy, or flaky? That could be the hidden cause of your thinning hair. Most assume that shampoos will fix this, but many only strip away the oils your scalp needs. Aloe vera is a natural remedy that soothes scalp inflammation, reduces dandruff, and promotes a healthy environment for hair growth. Apply it as a scalp mask, and you'll feel the difference. Want to know how to make this treatment even more potent? Stick around to find out how to boost aloe vera's effectiveness with another simple DIY trick. Number 4. Essential oils, powering up your hair follicles. If you've tried everything for hair growth and nothing works, you might be missing this key step: stimulating your follicles with essential oils. Rosemary and peppermint oils are game changers. They increase blood flow to the scalp, waking up dormant hair follicles and promoting new growth. Many are skeptical about essential oils, but just a few drops mixed with your shampoo or oil can lead to a big difference in thickness. Don't believe it? I've got a way to make this blend even more powerful, and I'll share that secret later in the video. Number 5. DIY hair mask with honey and yogurt. Strengthen your strands. Weak, brittle hair breaking off easily. You might think heat treatments are the only solution to smooth your hair, but this simple honey and yogurt mask is a natural powerhouse. Honey is a natural humectant, locking in moisture, while yogurt is rich in protein to strengthen each strand. This combo not only nourishes but helps repair damaged hair, giving it body and strength. Want to know the surprising ingredient that'll take this mask to the next level? Keep watching. If you're enjoying these natural DIY secrets so far, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It lets us know you love content on natural hair care, and it helps us bring you more tips for achieving healthier, thicker hair. Number 6. Flaxseed gel, a nutrient-rich styling solution. Tired of gels and mousses that leave your hair crunchy and dry? Most people don't realize that many commercial styling products contain alcohols that dry out your hair. Flaxseed gel is a natural alternative that provides hold while also nourishing your hair with omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E. It promotes thicker, healthier hair while giving you that perfect, bouncy style. I'll share a pro tip to make this gel even more effective, so stay tuned. If you're finding these tips helpful, share this video with friends or family who might be looking for natural ways to thicken their hair. Sharing helps spread the word about healthier hair care solutions, and together, we can help more people reach their hair goals naturally. Number 7. Balanced diet. Feed your hair from the inside. Think that what you eat doesn't affect your hair. Many people underestimate the power of nutrition for hair growth. Vitamins like biotin, vitamin E, and minerals such as zinc are critical for promoting thicker hair. Incorporate foods like eggs, spinach, and nuts into your diet, and you'll start seeing the change from within. But there's one food in particular that works wonders for hair thickness. Any guesses? I'll reveal it in just a moment. In today's video, we explored 7 amazing DIY fixes to naturally achieve thicker hair. But I know you're probably wondering, how can you make these remedies work even better? Don't worry, I've got all the answers, from enhancing the power of castor oil to unlocking the full potential of flaxseed gel. I'll walk you through the simple tweaks that can maximize these DIY treatments for even greater hair growth and thickness. Let's dive into these game-changing secrets and take your hair care routine to the next level. 1. How can castor oil work even better? The secret to enhancing castor oil's effectiveness is warming it slightly before application. This helps open up your hair follicles and improves absorption, leading to faster and thicker hair growth. 2. What can you combine with coconut oil for even better results? For an extra boost, mix coconut oil with a few drops of rosemary essential oil. This powerful combo enhances scalp circulation and promotes even more hair thickness and strength. 3. How can you make aloe vera more effective? Combine aloe vera gel with a few drops of tea tree oil. This addition will not only help soothe the scalp, but also combat dandruff and stimulate better hair growth. If you're loving these natural hair care tips and want to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our community, and you'll be the first to get all our latest videos on health, wellness, and natural beauty hacks. Let's reach those hair goals together. Subscribe now. 4. What's the secret to making essential oils more powerful? Add a carrier oil like jojoba or coconut oil when applying rosemary or peppermint essential oils to your scalp. This enhances absorption and reduces the risk of irritation while boosting blood circulation to hair follicles. 5. What can you add to the honey and yogurt mask for a stronger effect? Adding a tablespoon of olive oil to the honey and yogurt mask enhances its nourishing properties, giving your hair even more moisture and strength. 6. How can you make flaxseed gel even more effective? Combine flaxseed gel with a few drops of lavender essential oil. This not only adds a pleasant scent but also stimulates hair growth and provides additional nourishment for thicker, healthier strands. 7. What's the food that works wonders for hair thickness? The magic food is salmon, rich in omega-3 fatty acids and protein. Salmon nourishes hair from within, promoting thicker and healthier growth. So, there you have it. 7 powerful, natural DIY secrets to achieve thicker hair. From the nourishing benefits of castor and coconut oils to the hair-boosting properties of flaxseed gel and essential oils, these solutions can transform your hair without harsh chemicals. And don't forget, a healthy diet plays a huge role in the overall health and thickness of your hair. Give these DIY fixes a try and watch your hair become thicker, stronger, and healthier over time. If you've tried any of these methods, or if you have your own hair thickening secrets, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Now that you know these powerful DIY secrets for getting thicker hair, why stop here? If you're struggling with hair loss or thinning, you won't want to miss my next video. Stop hair loss naturally. In that video, I'll reveal more life-changing tips that don't just stop hair loss, but actually help regrow your hair naturally. Imagine waking up to stronger, fuller hair every morning without the need for expensive treatments. Curious about the one ingredient that could completely transform your hair care routine? Click on the video now and discover the solution your hair has been waiting for.